Is it time to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we will explore Advanced Micro Devices in depth. Our initial report was released on our website on Monday, the 4th of August, 2025, and today we aim to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to keep informed about our latest insights. You certainly do not want to overlook any significant updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by utilizing our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI to receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 2nd of May, 2025, our system has ranked Advanced Micro Devices as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.35. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 78.93% since we initially designated Advanced Micro Devices as a buy candidate 64 days ago. This translates to an average return of 1.23% per day since it was classified as a buy candidate. The stock is situated in the midst of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are anticipated. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 66.74% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from 47.46% to 72.66%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis projects a change of negative 14.2%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between negative 66.66% and negative 13.04% over the coming year. This would translate to a future price estimated to fall between $58.94 and $153.72. Our latest daily update for Advanced Micro Devices includes the headline: Advanced Micro Devices stock price ended at $176.78 on Monday, after gaining 2.96%. The Advanced Micro Devices stock price gained 2.96% on the last trading day, Monday, the 4th of August, 2025, rising from $171.70 to $176.78. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.48%, with a day low at $173.56 and a day high of $177.86. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 12.6% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 23 million shares, with a total of 52 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $9.13 billion. You should consider that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may serve as an early warning about potential changes over the next couple of days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $182.49, while the lowest price was $76.48. Currently, the price is 3.13% or $5.71 below the 52-week high and 22.23% or $50.52 below the all-time high on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price reached $227.30. Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD, is set to announce its earnings for the second quarter after the market closes on the 5th of August. Recently, AMD reached a 52-week high of $182, prompting analysts to closely monitor whether it can achieve new heights, driven by strong client satisfaction and growth in data center revenue. This anticipated earnings announcement comes amid a hopeful outlook that issues related to export restrictions may become less severe, potentially benefiting AMD's performance. Traders are expecting notable price fluctuations following the earnings report. AMD's stock has experienced a significant rally, having more than doubled from its lowest points. However, some analysts express caution, suggesting that the stock's rise may have exceeded levels of sustainable growth. This uncertainty could lead to a short-term decline if the earnings do not meet elevated expectations. In terms of the long-term outlook, ongoing investments in artificial intelligence and cloud infrastructure from major technology companies position AMD advantageously compared to its competitors. When evaluating the company's valuation against peers like Nvidia and Broadcom, there appears to be potential for growth. Given that its price-to-sales ratio is below historical averages, strong earnings could bolster investor confidence, contributing to sustained stock performance. However, any disappointments might prompt a reassessment. As we eagerly await the earnings release, AMD continues to be a key focus within the semiconductor industry. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned AMD a hold grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025, it was reported that Wolfe Research assigned AMD an outperform grade with an upgrade action. On Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned AMD an overweight grade with an upgrade action. On Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025, it was reported that HSBC assigned AMD a buy grade with an upgrade action. On Tuesday, the 1st of July, 2025, it was reported that Bernstein assigned AMD a reduce grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Advanced Micro Devices stock a general neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as neutral. The following signals have been identified for Advanced Micro Devices. The Advanced Micro Devices stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between the two signals as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there will be support from the lines at $174.55 and $148.95. A breakdown below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day, despite rising prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, July 30th, 2025, and thus far, it has fallen by 1.52%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 29 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals short moving average, buy signal 71 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 59 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 48 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Advanced Micro Devices. Advanced Micro Devices finds support from accumulated volume at $171.70. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock tends to experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as having a high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $4.30 between its highest and lowest points, or 2.48%. In the last week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 3.90%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This extremely high PE ratio suggests that the stock could be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 5th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 470 thousandths of a dollar. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for advanced micro devices. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for advanced micro devices is at $177.44. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, advanced micro devices faces its first support level at $171.70. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for advanced micro devices from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by papermaster Mark D., who bought and sold 35,996 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 12.277. Overall, insiders purchased 623,620 shares and sold 817,350 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $170.46, representing a decrease of 3.58%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, resulting in a heightened level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal based on a pivot top identified 3 days ago. Is advanced micro devices stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators along with an overall favorable trend suggest that the current price may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for advanced micro devices stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 5th of August, we anticipate that advanced micro devices will open lower by approximately 713 0.10 of a dollar, starting at $176.07. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We recommend consulting with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.